displayed out onto your cutting board. Now, if you've never cut chicken wings before, what I'm going to suggest is that you feel the different areas that you want to cut through. There are little joints that connect everything together. The first thing I usually do is remove the wing tip. So I come in with my knife, I know right where I want to cut, and I come in with my knife and just slice that right off. We'll throw that in pan number 1. Now I come in holding the drummy portion. I angle my knife slowly down until I feel that spot between the joint. Now I have a perfectly separated drummy and flat. So I'm going to throw those right in my pans. And I'm going to continue through. Display my chicken, hold it down, find that area, cut, drop, come back over, angled, and straight through. See how easy that is? Flat, drum. I'm going to continue on with the rest of these. So here I have my portioned drummies, my portioned flats, and those wing tips that I'm going to be tossing into a freezer bag for the next time when we make stock. You can always make it the same day. It's just that I've got a lot going on today, and they freeze just fine. These were fresh chicken wings, so that works. The one thing I am going to do is I'm going to salt everything. I'm going to, because we know that every marinade is going to require some salt. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything salted nicely with some kosher salt, with the exception of those wing tips, of course. All right, we'll be back to start doing the other videos that are going to show you how to make the sauces and the marinades for these. So make sure that you are liking this video, that you're subscribed to our channel so you know when we put up a new video, when we do something different. And also, please give us some comments and some feedback. We really love to hear what you have to say. Do you make your own chicken wings at home? Or are you taking your family out for wing night, which is very, very costly? Great, but costly. So this is one of the reasons why we started doing these at home on the barbecue whenever we can. And grilled is always better than fried, right? So we kind of look at it that way too. Cost savings may be a little bit better for you. Long story short, make sure that you watch this next video that's going to show you how to make that blueberry barbecue sauce.